To pair the remote park assist with your vehicle, get into the car. Start the app on your smartphone. Confirm the conditions. Then enable Bluetooth. Now start the ignition and continue in command. Go to Vehicle, Assistance, Camera and Parking Pilot, and then Remote Parking Pilot. Your vehicle may already have the name Park Assist. Now click on Connect New Device. The smartphone app now shows the vehicle. Select it. The command display shows a connection code. Enter this into your smartphone. The vehicle and smartphone are now paired and the app is ready for use.